All right. If you say the word I have here with me, first person to 3 strikes is eliminated. Are we good? Name a day of the week, Victor.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I have Monday here. You're safe. A continent.
Africa.
Africa. I have Africa here. Love it as I was first strike. A shape.
Cone.
Cone. I have circle here. A sense organ. Love it first.
The ear.
Ear.
Yes.
Nose. Unfortunately, I have eyes here. A spice used in cooking. Love it first.
Time.
Time. I have salt here. A city in Africa. Victor first. 5. 4. Lagos. Okay.
Umaya.
Umaya. I have Lagos here. Victor gets his first strike. A country that starts with letter C. Victor first.
Canada.
Canada. I have Canada here. Lovett gets a second strike. All right. A Disney princess. A Disney princess. Moana again.
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel, yeah, Rapunzel. I have Cinderella here. An animal, any animal that starts with letter E. Eel. I have elephant here. A popular social media app. LinkedIn. Victor! Victor, fear God. Okay.
Social media app. Telegram.
I have Instagram here. Okay. A musical instrument. Love it first.
Xylophone.
Xylophone. Okay. How long do I have to wait? I have guitar here. At this point, a month of the year.
May.
May. Moses, what do I have here? You get your second strike. Both of you on 2 strikes now. All right. A number from 1 to 5. A number from 1 to 5. Victor first. Oh. Love it.
1.
You survive. I have 5 here. Moses again. Odd number from 1 to 10. Victor first. Yes.
7.
Moses, what do I have here? 3. This. I love it. Love it has miraculously survived this round. That was a very interesting one and a very long one. Love it, you're strong. From 2 points down. So this episode is sponsored by Gaboos Foundation. And with that, Victor, tough luck. That's 2,000 from Gaboos Foundation. And Love it is 5,000 from Gaboos Foundation. What do you have to say to them?
Thank you.
All right.